Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. Welcome. I'm a homemaking style channel and I do home decor, recipes, organization, cleaning videos. If you are interested in those types of videos, I would love for you to join my community by hitting that subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. So today we are actually going to be decorating. I am going to be doing a kind of a 70s cottage style type of tablescape. Y'all, I am so excited about today's video, and I usually say this when I do tablescapes, but these tablescapes you can typically transfer onto like a long side table or hallway table, even a fireplace mantle. It's just to get those creative ideas flowing, and that's one reason why I like to watch videos on decorating, even if I don't decorate that certain, like if it's a living room decorate, maybe I saw something that I liked and I'm gonna incorporate that idea or maybe the color scheme into my kitchen, vice versa. And so yeah, anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know, even if you don't set your table, today's video should definitely, hopefully do y'all well when it comes to getting those creative ideas, when it comes to color schemes, and definitely transferable onto a fireplace mantle or a long side hallway table. Anyway, y'all, enough chatting and let's get decorating.
Okay, by the way, I never, excuse the oranges, but I never did a summer clean and decorate with me. And so what I did is I actually just took some of the stuff that I had on my last tablescape and sprinkled it around the house. And so I'll just show you that real quick and then we will get started. But yeah, so I just took the picture and just kind of placed it over here in the corner. And of course, you know, fall and Christmas, it's inevitable. I am going crazy, but for summer, I just wanted something light. We're outside a lot. And so I just wanted to do something to brighten it up in here, but I didn't want to do too much over here. So for summer, spring, summer, this is what I have. And then right here where my secretary is, I just went ahead and put the thyme, the faux thyme and lilies in here, in this little copper pitcher in here on top of my secretary. And I thought it looked really, really nice. And then for my fireplace, I kept up the eucalyptus garland and the candles, and I just kind of added some plants at the end where the houses were. And then down here, I just kind of added some nice, pretty bright floral and greenery on top of the basket on the books, and the same for here. So I'll give you a little overview. And then similar to the fireplace, all I really did was swap out, just like kind of get rid of the, obviously I borrowed the candle holders for the tablescape, or you're gonna see that. But other than that, I just put some really pretty bright pink florals and greenery, and I just called it a day. So pretty simple, but it brightens up the place. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. And then over here to the side, guys, I still have to hang these I still have to hang these up. Y'all, it has been months. I guess that's real life, but yeah. So over here, all I did, I kept the greenery, I kept the copper, I just added some bright florals and some greenery. So it was really easy swap, which is probably why I didn't really do a huge video, because it was just really, really easy swap. And I borrowed a lot of stuff from my tablescape and placed it around my house. Anyway, enough with that, let's get started.
All right, y'all, so if you saw my other tablescape videos, actually probably the last like 2 or 3 tablescape videos that I've done, I've actually, instead of using a table runner that I purchased, which I always keep all of my decor, but I was really liking this like silk, flowy, the lace, and all these different types of material for table runners that I saw. Well, when I went to go online to purchase some, it was an arm and a leg. Some of them were like $60, $80, $90, $120. I was like, okay, oh no, no way. So I was at Hobby Lobby one day and I was passing through the material section and I thought, these are really pretty material pieces. I wonder how much it would cost to cut, you know, anywhere from 4 to 6 feet, depending on how long your table is, of material. And I can either sew the edges, or for these that are flowy, they just kind of flow over the table, I don't even sew up the edges. I know there are a lot of Walmarts that have material, and get it cut. It's just way cheaper and it is absolutely gorgeous. You will not regret it. I have used these over and over and over again, but yeah, just a little tip. A really quick, before I add it, I just kind of wanted to give you a close-up of this beautiful copper colored table runner, or material that I'm going to use for my table runner. I'm going to lay this down first, and then I'm going to lay down the white material.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember.
Okay, so next I am just going to take this cutting board that I got at a local boutique, and I'm gonna place it in the middle of the table just to layer it up a little bit more, make it more interesting. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just place this on the middle, and then I'm going to add this really beautiful garland. It is just lamb's ear. I'll kind of give you a little bit of a close up. I'll lay this on top, and then I'll start layering from there.
And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. Ooh, yeah. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this, we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you.
All right, y'all, so next I am going to take these beautiful blue chargers, my terracotta saucers that I actually got at Home Depot. And y'all, I'm so excited. If you saw when I went antiquing and boutiquing, I guess you could say, these came from Good Things Gainsville. Beautiful napkin rings. They are perfect for summer. Really, they could be perfect year round, but it's kind of going with the theme of that like boho 70s, but yet it can really fit in with that kind of like French country cottagey vibe that I'm going for today. These plates right here I got from the Dollar Tree last spring or the spring before, and I also am going to be using these beautiful blue napkins. If y'all saw my last video where I went antiquing, and I also went to this really pretty boutique store that's in Gainesville, it's called Good Things Gainsville, I found these blue napkins, but I also found these amber glasses but with really pretty footed glasses, and I said I think I can make this work, and y'all, I am making it work. I'm putting these really dark blue, like navy blue napkins with the amber, and it actually looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, and real quick, actually, this like kind of like amber plate with the teacup, I got this at a kind of like a flea market here locally, and so these did not come from that, but they match. So I'm gonna use these for the end seats. Y'all know I like to kind of change up the end seats a little bit, so I will be using these as well. All right, y'all, so we have the end seats here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put these together, and then I will work on the middle seats. By the way, I am really impressed with how good, let me set this together. I'm really impressed with how good the ambers and blues go together. So yeah, I am really thrilled how this turned out.
All right, y'all, so you know the drill. I have not ironed these, but I am just going to take the napkin, grab it from the middle, and I have it from the middle, and then I'm just going to slide it about midway, maybe a little less than that, and kind of fluff up the top, and voila, you have your beautiful napkins ready to be set.
All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna just take these beautiful cups for the final touch and set it to the right of the plate. Oh, I am loving this look, y'all. I am really excited about how this turned out. All right, y'all, what do you think? Oh my gosh, let me know in the comment section below. Do you like the blues with the amber and the terracotta? What would you even call this? I feel like it's kind of like this boho meets French country. I know in the beginning I kind of said like cottagecore, but no, I really think this is more of a boho meets French country style. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of an overview and then we will close out.
Apologizing when you started it. Why? Under a spell. I really wonder how did it come to this? Go see my friend.
All right, y'all, so I just realized that I had these pillows that I had on my last tablescape, and so I had purchased on Amazon a couple months ago these like just kind of tan pillowcases just to have a more neutral pillowcase. And so I am going to take off this emerald green, which I still love. I'm in love with the emerald greens, like the hunter greens, but I'm just gonna switch it up to match this tablescape just a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. We're good. Little chop. All right, y'all, so typically the past few videos that I've done a tablescape on, I've given you a recipe idea, but today I kind of wanted to give more of a hosting tip, and some of y'all might already know this tip and some may not. So for those who don't, a really good idea for whenever you're hosting, inviting people over, about an hour or two before your guests come over, or honestly even about 30 minutes before your guests come over, light a candle, diffuse some oils, melt your wax melts, and just get the house smelling really good. The number one thing that makes people feel cozy and comfortable is, you know, not a strong scent, but just this light, good smelling scent when they walk in. Usually the first thing someone says when they come in our house, especially if they haven't been here before, is, oh my gosh, it smells so good in your house. And that is because I am lighting candles or I have my wax melts going. Now, lately I've been getting headaches from my candles, and so I don't know if you remember a couple videos ago, I had shared with you this company that gifted me some wax melts, and I ended up really falling in love with their wax melts. So today I'm just gonna kind of show you what I do when it comes to wax melts. And I wanted to kind of just share with you some of the wax melts that she gifted me. This is not sponsored or anything, guys. I genuinely like this product, hence why I'm even mentioning it again, because I can put this in, it's gonna smell really, really good. It like actually smells really good, these scents, and they don't give me headaches. And so anytime I find something like that, I wanna share it with you. And anytime someone, whether I buy it or they gift it to me, or, you know, like I said, this isn't sponsored, but if it was sponsored, I'd let you know. But anytime I come across a product that I love, it's something that I wanna share with y'all. And I actually have a link in the description box below if you want to check out her Instagram or her website. And I did ask her if I could get that discount code again, and so there is a discount code in the description box as well. I'll also put on the screen here just in case you're interested. So I'm going to get these wax melts in, get the house smelling good, and then I'm going to get the ice ready, the water pitcher out, and just get ready for people to start coming in and over. But y'all, like I said, I wanted to really share this with you, especially if you get headaches from candles, y'all, which I know some of y'all do because some of y'all had said that in your last video. Some of y'all had messaged me that that you ordered these and that you liked them, or they didn't give you a headache as well. And so yeah, I thought, you know what, she sent me a new round, and I thought I am definitely sharing these because this is a really, really good product. She's a small business owner, so you know, win-win-win for everyone. But yeah, anyway, even if candles don't give you headaches, I suggest these because they smell so divine. Oh my gosh. For example, the Strawberry Fields here, notes of fresh sweet strawberries. Oh God, guys, her melt smells so good. Let me show you guys the packaging here. The next one is Water Lemonade, notes of juicy watermelon lemonade. Also, it's coconut beeswax that she uses. Forgot to mention that. Oh, you know what? Look how cute. Look how cute. I love this company. This is so pretty. It's like the little details. I have Blue Jay. You know what? Let me just show you all these, and then I'm gonna put them in, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. Okay, so this one right here, Blue Jay. Oh my gosh, this literally smells like light blue. This was my favorite perfume. Like in my entire 20s, I wore this perfume, was light blue. Oh Lord Jesus, that smells good. Okay, let's see. Wild Cherry, notes of fizzy tart and red cherry. Y'all, this has to smell good, right? Cute, sleek packaging. Oh gosh. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, I could eat this. Yeah, I could eat this, but I don't want to get sick. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this packaging. It says Volcano, notes of coastal Capri waters and tropical fruit. Let's smell it. Guys, I wish I could just have you smell these. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and recommend all these. They're all very fruity except for the Blue Jay. The Blue Jay smells like that light, clean light blue perfume from Dolce & Gabbana. Oh Lord Jesus, that smells so good. Oh, you know what? I also forgot. This is Amethyst, and it is a sanitizer spray. And look, it has the little quartz in there, the little rocks in there, and it is notes of lavender. It does not want to focus today. It says notes of lavender, 73% alcohol, 3% fragrance oil. I feel like I could just breathe that in. Oh, that smells so good.
If you're watching this little bear house, thank you so, so much. I am absolutely obsessed with your wax melts. These are phenomenal. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, y'all. We are being fancy. I got ice in the cup. We got my cute little pitcher that I think I got for like $1 or $2 either at a garage sale or Goodwill years and years ago. Set that there. That can be passed around. And before I outro us out, I just wanted to say cheers to the best subscribers ever.
All right, y'all, so let me know, what do you think of the color scheme and kind of like the theme? Once again, I know I said it was at the beginning, I think I said cottagecore, but I meant French country. It's very much like that French country meets boho style. So anyway, y'all will have to let me know how you like it, what your favorite part was, and also if you liked the color scheme, what you thought about the ambers and the blues and all that fun stuff. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much, not just with the algorithm, which it definitely does. It helps others to see this video, but it also helps me know what y'all like to see. And it says, hey, Ashley, keep making these types of videos. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for the next video. And y'all, that is all for today. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, y'all, and I will see you next time.